Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. Some vehicles like this Chrysler 300 have their starting battery in the trunk. And although the replacement procedure is pretty straightforward, there are a few extra steps you're going to have to take. However, before you begin, always check with the original equipment manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely replace a battery in a vehicle like this. So let's get started. Our first step is to lift the trunk's floor mat up and out of the way. The next step is to remove the spare tire. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable, and you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. Next, remove the plastic cap that covers the positive battery terminal. Next, remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. And again, you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. The next step is to loosen and unlatch the battery retention strap. Next, carefully disconnect the battery's vent tube from the side of the battery. The next step is to use your 10mm wrench to loosen the bolt for the battery's hold-down bracket and remove the bolt and the hold-down bracket. Now, using the battery's handle, we can remove the old battery from the vehicle. Now we can install the new battery into the vehicle and properly position it in the battery tray. Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down bracket and retighten the bolt to 4 Newton meters. Next, gently replace the plastic vent tube fitting into the side of the battery and check to be sure that the vent tube fitting and vent tube are in good shape. Now we can relatch and retighten the battery retainer strap. And using a wire brush, we can gently clean the battery terminals to remove any corrosion. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound the terminal on, as this may cause internal battery damage. Next, retighten the battery terminal nut to the proper specifications, in this case 4 Newton meters. And then reinstall the plastic cover over the positive battery terminal. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and retighten the nut to 4 Newton meters. The next step is to reinstall the spare tire. And now we can reinstall the trunk's floor panel, and we're done.